Memorialization. Memorializing our shared racial history, exposing and embracing the realities of the violent and brutal domination, colonization, enslavement, segregation, separation, cruelty, and how these realities of history created white advantage. This historical shared history must not be forgotten, and healing must take place. Historical erasure. Removing the history of white racial oppression is a form of gaslighting. Whites must not erase the harm done because this will continue to hurt their own collective psyche of white development and white humanity. Evolutionary growth and development must be allowed. It must be recovered. Deep mourning and lamentation must replace white guilt, white cover-ups, and white gaslighting. And healing must take place, racial healing and racial reconciliation. Whites cannot continue this numbing, dumbing, and deletion of the past. It is an escape which only leads to inhumanity and the possibility of repeating these atrocities. Whites must learn to mourn, reject guilt, and allow their hearts to receive the pain, knowing that the past cannot be rewritten. It must be allowed to stand. Mourning and memorializing will restore humanity to whites and clear the confusion that has taken place where the victims of this past have been vilified and gaslit. This toxic, racialized historical amnesia and confusion have deeply wounded whites, blacks, and people of color, all trying to survive with identities made of half-truths and lies.